Okay, there. Look, Cathy's birthday. We're gonna all go.
6-1.
We're gonna have a big feast there. They make everything fresh pasta. They make your noodles. Well, they have all kinds of food. You can name it. They've got it. Fresh, different kinds of salads. They got all kinds of goodies here. We took Cathy to celebrate her. Look, hello.
Oh, yummy.
And they have everything here. Unlimited beer, unlimited wine, bottles, whatever you want. It's pretty cool. Goes all the way down here. Over here, they got everything. They make your fresh over here. Everything here, babe. All the fresh
I like
fish and
fish.
clams and all kinds of stuff. Weird stuff. All the weird stuff that I would never eat.